What's up, dancers? This video is an excerpt from a brand new locking choreography class I have on my website. If you enjoy this choreography and you'd like to learn the entire piece, go and check out joeythejam.com/classes for this class and all the classes I have available. Let's do it.
Jam, jam, here comes the man, hot damn.
All right, y'all, welcome to this beginner locking class. In this class, what we're gonna focus on is our groove and using our fundamentals of locking to put it into practice, okay? We're gonna be learning a combination with all of these elements so that we can get into the flow and really understand how to piece all of these elements together. With me today, I got my assistants Sky and Ladio. And from this point forward, I'm going to flip the video so that we are mirrored to you. So all you have to do is copy us, whatever we're doing, just like in a mirror, okay? So let's get into this combination, okay? So again, what we're focusing on in this class is our groove first and foremost, okay? This groove is what carries us through all of the moves. And then as well, we're gonna be practicing our moves as well. We're gonna be using wrist rolls, points, claps, locks, and paces, okay? So let's jump into it. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to groove for 4 counts. Now, in locking, our groove is an up groove, okay? So if we start down, okay, just to break down the groove a little bit, we go up and down, okay? Up on the 1, down on the end. So it goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, okay? So we're rocking back and bouncing up at the same time, okay? We do that for 4 counts. So very slowly, we go 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, just like that, okay? So for the next 4 counts, we're gonna go side to side, okay? We're gonna go up on 5 and 6 to the center. Then we go 7 to the side and 8 to the center, okay? So from the top, very slowly, we go 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go 5 to the center, 6 to the center. Okay? A little bit faster. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. Okay? Moving forward. After that, we're going to pace. Now, when we pace, we're going to be doing our pace walk as well. So our pace walk, we just step, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At the same time, we're keeping that groove. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now, at the same time, with the groove and the walk, we're going to be pacing 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go both hands. 5, 6, 7, 8, and we stop right here on 8, okay? So nice and slow, back from the top. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. Groove 1, 2, 3, 4 to the side, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we pace 2, 3, 4, both hands, 5, 6, 7. Then we stop. Good job. Okay, let's go just a little bit faster, okay? We go 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Pace 1, 2, 3, 4. Both 5, 6, 7, 8. Just like that. Okay, so now that we have 2 8 counts out of the way, we're gonna try it with music, all right? Now keep in mind, if you need to go back at any point to go over any of the moves, any of the steps, feel free to just scrub back. And go ahead and get what you need, and then you could come back to this time. Just remember this time right here, and then we're gonna jump into the music, okay? And the song that we're gonna be dancing to today is Pick Up the Pieces by Average White Band, which is one of my all-time favorite locking songs. It's a classic funk song to really feel, so let's try it with music, all right? Yeah. You ready? You ready? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. To the side.